Hi, I'm Renée Sferrazza.
Hi, I'm Michael Fagan. You know, when most people think of sparkling wines, they only think about serving them for special events. But Prosecco opens the door to making any meal or any day special. Prosecco is Italy's largest selling sparkling wine, and it's renowned for its affordability, versatility, and suitability for every occasion.
Michael, you're so right. And when I love to plan a menu, it's not uncommon to go the Italian route and have sparkling wines throughout the meal. In Veneto and in Friuli, you often see Prosecco being served with dishes from start to finish, including dessert.
When we think about menu planning, Renee, what are some guidelines to consider when thinking about bringing Prosecco to serve with dinner?
There are a couple of main things to consider, Michael, when you're thinking about pairing Prosecco with meals all the way into dessert. For the main courses and appetizers, think about the texture of the dish, the spices and herbs used, its preparation, and even the course's temperature, whether it's hot or cold. For dessert, you want to consider sweetness level in the wine and in the meal itself. Desserts like fresh berries or even tiramisu can go wonderfully with Prosecco, and they open up a world of possibilities of experiences.
Today we're focusing on Cantina Produttore Val D'Oca. This winery is a co-op of 600 members, and they get their name from a hill that's covered with these beautiful Glera grapes called Val D'Oca.
Today, Michael, we are diving into the glass with their Val D'Oca Prosecco Superiore DOCG. If you take a look in the glass, it's a beautiful color, and we are bringing in aromas of a little bit of apple and peach, some wonderful floral notes. And if you take a sip, this wine has a creaminess to it, a brightness, and an ease on the palate.
This wine really exemplifies Prosecco's versatility. This is one that you could bring through the whole meal. I see it served as an appetizer. I think it would be great with shrimp cocktail. Maybe you follow that with a poached salmon and maybe a seasonal berry flan for dessert. I mean, this will work with all of it.
I'm so here for the possibilities of this Prosecco. I am such a bubblehead and love sparkling wine myself. But check out our other episodes, everybody, diving into Veneto's winemaking subregions, including Bardolino, Valpolicella di Passo, and Lisan Prammaggiore. Salute tutti!
Until next time.